Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to destination for making money online opportunities and tips to boost your online income. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We're diving deep into 5 top reasons why you should start an Amazon FBA biz today. We will unravel the secrets of Amazon FBA, the ultimate game changer helping thousands of sellers like you achieve financial freedom and build thriving online businesses. Whether you dream of ditching your 9-to-5, generating a steady stream of passive income, or simply expanding your existing business, Amazon FBA offers the perfect platform to turn those dreams into reality. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and watch this video until the end as we go deep into 5 top reasons to start a lucrative Amazon FBA business today. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with Amazon. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get straight into the video. Signing up for Amazon FBA is straightforward and a key step toward unlocking the potential of your e-commerce business. Here's an overview on how to sign up and get started with a successful Amazon FBA biz. Start by creating an Amazon seller account if you don't already have one. Head over to the Amazon Seller Central website and choose between an individual or professional selling plan based on your business needs. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Inventory tab and select Add a Product to start listing the items you want to sell. When you reach the Fulfillment option, select Amazon Will Ship and provide customer service. This enrolls your products in the FBA program. You'll then need to prepare your products for shipment according to Amazon's guidelines, label them appropriately, and send them to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon takes it from there, handling storage, packaging, and shipping, while you focus on growing your business. With FBA, you're leveraging Amazon's vast logistics network to streamline your operations and reach millions of eager buyers with ease. Ready to turn your passion for selling into a profitable venture? Look no further than Amazon FBA, the ultimate game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. Say goodbye to inventory headaches. With Amazon FBA, you ship your products to their facilities and they handle the rest, from storage to shipping. It's like having your own personal warehouse without the hassle. Sure, there's some legwork involved up front, but once your products are in Amazon's capable hands, you're free to focus on what matters most: growing your business. And with Amazon's massive customer base, the sky's the limit for your earning potential. It's no secret, starting any business requires capital. Amazon FBA is no different, but don't let that deter you. With the right strategy and determination, you can overcome any obstacle standing between you and your entrepreneurial dreams. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of e-commerce with Amazon FBA? With Amazon as your partner, success is within reach. So what are you waiting for? Seize the opportunity and unlock your full potential. Now let's dive deep into 5 top reasons why you should start an Amazon FBA biz today. Reason number 1, massive customer base. Amazon's massive customer base is a game changer for any aspiring entrepreneur. With over 300 million active users and 54 million Prime members around the world, Amazon gives you access to an enormous pool of potential customers. These shoppers trust Amazon and they're ready to buy. Imagine tapping into that vast audience with your products. The potential for sales is huge. Moreover, Amazon's powerful search and recommendation algorithms work tirelessly to match products with buyers who are most likely to be interested. This significantly boosts your chances of making sales without having to spend a fortune on advertising. When you list your products on Amazon, you're not just another face in the crowd, you're part of a trusted marketplace that consumers turn to first when they're ready to make a purchase. By leveraging Amazon's massive customer base, you can catapult your business to new heights, reaching audiences that would have been nearly impossible to access through other channels. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a launch pad for your business success. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of Amazon's marketplace and watch your sales soar. Reason number 2, Prime shipping. Prime shipping is one of the standout benefits of Amazon FBA. Products listed with Amazon FBA automatically qualify for Amazon Prime, meaning your customers get super fast, free shipping. This is a massive selling point and can significantly boost your sales. Customers love the convenience of Prime, and they'll be more likely to choose your product over others. Additionally, Prime shipping enhances your product visibility on Amazon. Prime-eligible items often receive better placement in search results and can be featured in various promotional campaigns such as Prime Day and other exclusive sales events. This increased visibility can lead to a surge in traffic to your listings and, consequently, more sales. Incorporating Prime shipping into your Amazon FBA strategy not only elevates your customer service but also positions your products competitively in the marketplace. It's a powerful tool to attract and retain customers, ensuring that your business benefits from Amazon's robust and reliable logistics network. So, embrace the power of Prime shipping and watch your sales skyrocket. Reason number 3, scalability. Scalability is one of the most compelling advantages of Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA allows you to scale your business effortlessly. You don't have to worry about warehousing, packing, or shipping. Amazon handles all that so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Whether you're selling a few items a week or thousands, Amazon's infrastructure can handle it. The true power of scalability with Amazon FBA lies in its ability to support your business as it evolves. When you're just starting, you might have a limited product range and smaller inventory. Amazon's extensive network of fulfillment centers can accommodate your needs without any hassle. As your sales increase, you can seamlessly expand your inventory without worrying about outgrowing your storage space. Amazon's sophisticated logistics system is designed to handle high volumes, ensuring that your customers receive their orders promptly, regardless of how much your business grows. In essence, Amazon FBA's scalability transforms your business into a well-oiled machine that can grow and adapt to market demands. It provides a robust foundation that supports your entrepreneurial ambitions, allowing you to focus on strategic growth while Amazon handles the operational complexities. Embrace the scalability of Amazon FBA and watch your business level up with unparalleled ease. Reason number 4, customer trust. Customer trust is the cornerstone for a successful e-commerce biz, and when you sell on Amazon, you leverage the trust and credibility of one of the most respected brands in the world. Customers trust Amazon's service and reliability, which means they'll trust your products too. This trust can translate into higher conversion rates and repeat customers. Amazon's reputation for excellent customer service and fast, reliable delivery significantly boosts the perceived value of your products. Shoppers know that when they purchase from Amazon, they're protected by robust customer service policies, easy returns, and a seamless buying experience. This level of confidence is extended to your products, making potential buyers more likely to complete their purchase and return for more. In addition, Amazon's A to Z guarantee protection gives customers peace of mind that their purchases are safe and secure. This assurance encourages more purchases, as buyers know that they have recourse if anything goes wrong. This built-in safety net can lead to higher conversion rates, as the perceived risk of buying from a third-party seller is significantly reduced. By leveraging Amazon's established trust, your business can achieve a level of credibility that might take years to build independently. This instant credibility is a powerful tool in attracting and retaining customers, ultimately driving your business growth and success. So harness the power of Amazon's trust and watch as your products gain the confidence and loyalty of millions of shoppers worldwide. Reason number 5, global reach. Global reach is another significant advantage of Amazon FBA. Amazon operates in multiple countries, and with FBA, your products can reach customers worldwide. This opens up international markets and allows you to expand your business beyond borders with minimal effort. Imagine the potential of your products being available to millions of shoppers in diverse markets such as Europe, Asia, and Australia, in addition to North America. Amazon's extensive network of fulfillment centers around the globe means that your inventory can be strategically placed closer to international customers, ensuring fast and reliable delivery. This global infrastructure removes the traditional barriers of international shipping, such as long delivery times and high shipping costs, making it easier for you to provide a seamless shopping experience to customers everywhere. Furthermore, Amazon provides powerful tools and resources to help you navigate international selling. From language translation services for your product listings to currency conversion and localized customer support, Amazon ensures that your global customers receive the same high level of service as your domestic buyers. These tools make it easier for you to overcome language and cultural barriers, enhancing your ability to connect with and serve a diverse customer base. Expanding globally with Amazon FBA also enhances your brand's visibility and recognition. As your products become available to a wider audience, your brand can gain international recognition, paving the way for future opportunities such as partnerships and collaborations with other global brands. Amazon isn't just any platform. It's a retail juggernaut with the power to level up your products in front of millions of eager buyers. Think about it. While search engine users are merely browsing, Amazon's audience actively seeks to make purchases. That's the kind of targeted traffic you can't afford to miss out on. But just how massive is Amazon's audience, you wonder? Brace yourself for some mind-blowing statistics that will make your jaw drop. In recent years, Amazon has emerged as the undisputed king of e-commerce, leaving giants like Apple and Walmart in its wake. With a staggering $576 billion in online sales so far and counting, Amazon's growth trajectory is nothing short of phenomenal, boasting a 19.4% increase compared to the previous year. But here's where it gets fascinating. A whopping 44% of all product searches start on Amazon, not on search engines. That means millions of potential customers are bypassing Google and heading straight to Amazon to find what they need. And guess what? That presents an unparalleled opportunity for savvy retailers like you to tap into a goldmine of untapped potential. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Becoming a third-party seller on Amazon comes with a cost. Amazon does take a small commission from each sale, but trust me when I say it's a small price to pay for the immense exposure and revenue-generating opportunities that await you. And here's the best part. Selling on Amazon isn't just limited to physical products. Whether you're dabbling in e-commerce, diving into the lucrative world of affiliate marketing, or exploring the possibilities of merch by Amazon, there's a wealth of avenues waiting for you to explore. So, which path will lead you to greater profits? Well, that depends on your goals, your circumstances, and most importantly, how much hustle you're willing to put in. But one thing's for sure. With Amazon as your partner in success, the sky's the limit. If boosting your finances is on your agenda this year, Amazon FBA is a lucrative opportunity for you to start making money online today. Or you can turn your side hustle into a full-time gig. But have no fear because I'm here to share 5 game-changing tips to help you skyrocket your sales and dominate the marketplace. Unlock your Amazon selling potential with these 5 proven tips. Tip number 1. Precision is key. When it comes to crafting your product listings, accuracy is non-negotiable. Gone are the days of vague descriptions. It's time to get specific. From model numbers to color options, leave no detail unturned. Imagine you're painting a picture with words, ensuring that every aspect of your product is crystal clear to potential buyers. Instead of just simply listing, iPhone case, make sure to paint a vivid picture. Here's an example of how to list your products. Protective iPhone case, compatible with iPhone 5. Available in sleek black, vibrant purple, crisp white, or bold blue. Engineered to withstand falls from over 3 feet, crafted from premium shock-resistant aluminum. Do you see the difference in listings? Tip number 2. Sell the dream. Your product listing isn't just a catalog. It's a canvas for storytelling. Tap into the power of content creation and marketing psychology to showcase the benefits of your product. Paint a picture of how it will transform the lives of your customers, addressing their pain points and offering solutions. Don't be afraid to get creative. Include FAQs to address any lingering doubts and seal the deal with irresistible value propositions. Highlight the transformative benefits of your product. Here's an example. Experience peace of mind with our durable iPhone case. Say goodbye to cracked screens and costly repairs. Our innovative design ensures maximum protection without sacrificing style. Plus, with our hassle-free FAQ section, you'll have all the answers you need to make an informed decision. Elevate your iPhone experience today. That's it. Highlighting the benefits of your product leads to more sales. Tip number 3, picture-perfect presentation. When it comes to selling on Amazon, a picture is worth 1,000 words and potentially thousands of dollars in sales. Don't leave your customers guessing. Show them exactly what they're getting with multiple large and crystal clear photos of your product. Visual transparency is key to building trust with your customers. Ensure that your product photos are authentic and representative of the actual item. Avoid the temptation to use generic images sourced from the depths of the internet. Nothing screams shady like recycled photos that don't accurately reflect your product. Stand out from the crowd and set yourself apart from the competition by providing detailed, high-quality images that showcase every angle and feature of your product. From close-ups to lifestyle shots, give your customers the full visual experience they crave. Remember, when it comes to photos, more is always better. Tip number 4, harness the power of reviews. Reviews are the lifeblood of your Amazon success. They're the social proof that can make or break a sale. But getting those coveted reviews isn't just a matter of luck. It's a strategic game plan that can help you level up your game. Encourage engagement and don't be shy by asking your customers to share their feedback and experiences with your products. Include a friendly note in each package, inviting them to leave a review. Or leverage the power of email marketing to reach out to your loyal customers and request their valuable input. Tempted to buy fake reviews or fabricate glowing testimonials? Think again. Authenticity is your greatest asset on Amazon, and any attempts to deceive your customers will ultimately backfire. Trust is hard-earned and easily lost, so play by the rules and let your genuine quality speak for itself. Before we get into tip number 5, make sure to check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with Amazon. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back to the video. Tip number 5, categorization. Attention, Amazon entrepreneurs. Now, do you want to ensure your products stand out from the crowd and capture the attention of eager buyers? It's all about choosing the right category and subcategories to maximize your visibility and catapult your sales. Getting discovered is half the battle on Amazon, and strategic categorization is your secret weapon. Think of it like a treasure map. The right category leads customers straight to your doorstep, while the wrong one leaves them lost in the vast jungle of products. Don't let your organic soap get lost among industrial cleaning supplies. Choose your categories wisely and lead your customers directly to what they're looking for. Always aim to boost your visibility by placing your products in relevant categories and subcategories. That will increase your chances of being discovered by shoppers actively searching or browsing for related products. It's all about positioning yourself in the right place at the right time, ensuring that your products catch the eye of your target audience and stand out from the competition. Set yourself up for success and don't leave it up to Amazon for chance. Take control of your destiny by meticulously selecting the perfect categories for your products. With the right placement, you'll attract more eyeballs, generate more clicks, and ultimately drive more sales. So choose wisely and watch your Amazon empire flourish before your eyes. With these 5 powerhouse tips, you're well on your way to financial freedom with Amazon FBA. The time has come to launch your online empire. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newbie dipping your toes into the world of e-commerce, leveraging Amazon's platform is a surefire way to kickstart your journey to online success. So why wait? Take the plunge and watch your business soar to new heights with the retail giant Amazon at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and smash that like button and share it with your friends. For more make money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.